Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So many of the users they are getting a warning like your account has been suspended on a particular date. So in this case, what should we do? See, first of all, you should know why you are getting this type of warning from Instagram. You can also see the screenshots. This type of warning basically the users are getting right now. So see what happened whenever you log into any third party application or in any third party website. That can be Instagram story downloader, reels downloader, post downloader, or getting a free likes, followers, or any kind of third party application or a website. So what happened, some of the application or a website are fine, they are good, but there are some third party application and or a website, they misuse your account. So maybe due to us any reason, that can be any reason. So Instagram want to verify that you are the owner of this account. So there are a few things that you have to do it. So after that you will get your account back. So one more thing, for example, one thing you have to do, you have to log in your Instagram account from any browser. That can be from your mobile browser or a laptop browser, and from there you have to delink or remove all those website or a third party application where you have logged in, I mean which in which website they have the access of your account. So if you don't know how to remove it from your Instagram account, so this can be done from the browser only. There is no option from Instagram application. So I will add a link of a detailed video how to remove it from browser. And after all these things, okay, so now what to do when you are getting this type of warning? So here you will see the option as disagree. So you have to click on disagree, and after this you will get this type of screens. So here you need to click on next. So after that, here you need to provide a email address where you will receive a email, and you have to enter email address here and click on next, and you will get a code. Just enter it. And the same way in the next step also, you have to select a country code here. For example, search, you can search a country on the above, and you can select a country code, and you have to enter a mobile number. So after entering a mobile number, you will get OTP and enter that, and within a couple of minutes or within a few hours you will get the access of your account. So I hope you will find this video useful, and also let me know if this is working for you. Thank you.